In this video, I will show you how to set up TicketTool bot in Discord server. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open your browser and then simply search for TicketTool bot Discord. Then simply click on the first link and then you're gonna get redirected here to their official website. Now, all you have to do is simply click on invite TicketTool and then you're gonna have to choose your server. Then click on continue and then you're gonna have to give them admin permissions. So click on authorize and then after you verify, basically that's all you have to do in order to add the bot to your Discord server. So let's go to our server, and as you can see we have the ticket tool right here. So here, as you can see, we have different commands that we can use. But what you're gonna have to do first is simply go back to their official website and then you're gonna have to click on dashboard. Then simply log in using your Discord account, and basically now we have access to our dashboard. So as you can see, we have our server here. So simply click on manage, and basically here you can configure the panel. You can basically change the command settings. You have the server info, and basically that's all. So now you can easily use the ticket tool bot for free on Discord. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.